In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete click to add text in PowerPoint. If you've ever been working on a presentation and found yourself faced with those pesky default text boxes, you know how distracting they can be. Whether you're trying to create a clean slide or simply wish to maintain consistency across your presentation, removing those text boxes can be a simple way to achieve your desired look. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like a given, but starting from the right place ensures there are no hiccups along the way. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation you'd like to edit. Open the file and head to the particular slide where you want to remove the click to add text box. Now that you're looking at your slide, you'll notice the default text box labeled click to add text. The next step is crucial, so be sure to follow it carefully. Click directly on the border of this text box. It should become highlighted, indicating that it's selected. This is your cue that you're one step closer to removing it. With the text box selected, go ahead and right click on it. When you do this, a context menu will appear. Look for the option that says delete and click it. With just this simple action, voila. The text box has been removed from your slide. This small change can have a big impact on the clarity and professionalism of your presentation by allowing you to focus more on your content rather than distracting placeholders. But let's say you're someone who loves shortcuts and efficiency. There's a nifty keyboard trick here too. Instead of right-clicking and choosing delete, you can also simply press the backspace key on your keyboard. This will immediately remove the text box, streamlining the process even more. This method can be especially handy if you're working quickly or need to make multiple adjustments across different slides. And there you have it. Removing unwanted text boxes in PowerPoint can greatly enhance the visual appeal and focus of your slides, giving you more control over your design. Whether you use the delete option or the keyboard shortcut, these techniques are simple yet powerful tools to have in your presentation arsenal. Remember, in PowerPoint, less can often be more, and it's the thoughtful use of space and simplicity that can make your presentation stand out. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your PowerPoint presentations clearer and more effective.